In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Instagram Lite app. So if you want to update the Instagram Lite application, what you have to do is simply open Play Store on your device. If you're using the Apple device, make sure to open the App Store. Since I'm using the Android, I've opened the Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Instagram Lite. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Instagram Lite and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. If you do not see the option for update over here, that means your application is already updated. Now once you tap on the update option, what you have to do is wait for a while and your application will be updated. After you do that, all the bugs of the application will be fixed and you'll be able to access smoother performance and latest features. So that is how you update Instagram Lite app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.